Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Can you recognize this plant? Yes, this is the rose plant. And in today's video, I'll be telling you some updated care about this rose plant. A few days ago, we had uploaded a video on how you can take care of your rose plant. And in that video, the plant's growth was stunted and the leaves were pale and were falling off the plant. And in that video, we told you about some care. But even after taking care of those plants like that, it did not improve. So for the second time, my mom is trying to find out what's the reason or the cause of this problem. First, she is checking the soil. The soil is perfectly fine. After that, she removed the plant from the pot. Actually, she tried to see if the drainage holes were working properly. The drainage holes were perfectly fine, and the bottom part of the pots were filled with small pebbles. Therefore, there is no problem of water retention. Therefore, the problem has to be in the soil. My mom is trying to keep the roots safe while she is removing the soil of the plant. This time, my mom noticed something. My mom noticed that in the soil there is small red ants. Can you see it? Actually, this problem is very common in the summer and the rainy season. Sometimes they do not harm the plants at all, but sometimes it can cause a really big problem. They can actually damage the root of your plants, and because of it, the plant's growth may be stunted. So the best solution right now is to change the whole soil. First of all, we are adding some sand. Then you have to give some loamy soil. It may contain garden soil plus kitchen waste compost or any other manure. As rainy season is coming really quick, we should not give any kind of fertilizers or manures right now. Now stay with us to see how we remove the whole soil from the plant. First of all, take a big pot filled with water, and then slowly remove the soil like this. And if this does not work, make sure to keep the plant in the water for 5 to 10 minutes before doing this. Now let's take some preparation so the ants never harm the plant again. If you have a chalk which kills some ants or insects, then make sure to give some chalk powder on the soil. Otherwise, you can give turmeric powder, chili powder or neem powder. Then slowly plant the plant with safe soil. And after planting the soil, make sure to keep it in a semi-shaded area. Hopefully the plant survives after this and the growth will be normal. And make sure to water your plant after planting it. If you guys also have the same kind of problem, hopefully this video helped you. And hopefully our plant grows bushy and healthy. If you liked this video, then make sure to subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.